In the second equation, in order to solve for x, we first have to substitute the sine squared of x into 1 minus cos squared of x. So 2 parentheses 1 minus cos squared of x plus 3 cos of x minus 3 equals 0. We distribute the 2. This gives you 2 minus 2 cos of x squared plus 3 cos of x minus 3 equals 0. You combine like terms. This gives you negative 2 cos squared of x plus 3 cos of x minus 1 equals 0. You move everything to the other side in order to get rid of the negative 2 cos squared of x. So that turns out into 2 cos squared of x minus 3 cos of x plus 1 equals 0. This factors out into 2 cos of x minus 1 and cos of x minus 1 equals 0. Then two mini equations come out of this factorization. So 2 cos of x minus 1 equals 0 is the first mini equation, and cos of x minus 1 equals 0 is the second mini equation. First, let's deal with this one. So in order to solve for x, you first move the 1 to the other side, so plus 1 plus 1. 2 cos of x equals 1. Divide by 2 on both sides to isolate the cos of x. That gives you cos of x equals 1/2. The reference angle in this case is 60, and we know that cosine is positive in quadrant 1 and in quadrant 4. So for this term, theta equals 60 and 300. So now let's deal with the other one. So cos of x minus 1 equals 0. In order to isolate the cos of x, we move the 1 to the other side, so plus 1 plus 1, cos of x equals 1. And we know that cos of x equals 1 only in 0 degrees and 360. And that's our final answer.
Bazinga!